Now the topic is segmentation. In paging, there is a separation of user's view of memory and the actual physical memory. The user's view of the memory is not the same as the actual physical memory, and this user's view is mapped onto the physical memory, and this mapping allows differentiation between the logical memory and the physical memory. Now user always prefers to view the memory as a collection of variable sized segments and with no necessary ordering among the segments. Instead of the memory, they don't want to see the memory as a linear array of bytes, some containing instructions and other containing data. Okay, and a program, when you are writing on it, think of it as a main program with the set of subroutines, procedures, functions or modules. There may also be the various data structures like tables, arrays, stacks, variables and so on. Now each of these modules or data element is referred to by the name. For example, the symbol table, some function, square root, the main program. Okay, without caring what addresses in memory these elements occupy. So you are not concerned with whether the symbol table is stored before or after the square root. So, memory management scheme segmentation supports the user view of memory. This one, and segmentation and a program is a collection of segments, and segment is a logical unit such as main program, procedure, function, method, objective, local, global variable, etc. And you can see the user view of a program. It looks like that this is the main program, that is main program module, and the symbol table, stacks, other subroutines, for example function, square root, etc. So you can see that these are the modules. As you like to writing a program, when you are writing a C program, you want to see as a module, don't want to see as a paging in different locations. So this is the collection of segmentation. And this is the logical view of segmentation. You can see that this is the user space. User sees, instead of giving the name in previous example like main program, symbol table, square root, it is easy to give some number, segment number, so 1 2 3 4 like this, and this is the user space. So user view is this, and the corresponding actual physical memory location. So 1 is stored in here, 2 is stored in here, and 3 is stored in here, 4 is stored in here. You can see these sizes are variable. So 3 is larger than the 2, and 1 and 4 are almost of same as shown here. So there are the various blocks having variable size of this called segments. And this is the segmentation architecture. Every logical address is divided into two blocks, and that is two tuples called, one is segment number, another is offset. And there is a segment table like page table, maps two-dimensional physical addresses, each table entry having a base containing the starting physical address where the segments resides in memory, and there is a limit specifies the length of the segment. So if this is a segment, so it is the base and there is the limit, that is starting from this it can have 20 bytes or 40 bytes. Okay. And segment table base register is there, points to the segment tables location in the memory, as like in previous page tables. Page table register was there time. And segment table length register is there, STLR, indicates the number of segments used by a program. So segment number is legal if S is segment table length register, STLR. And you can see here address translation architecture of segmentation, like paging environment. Here the CPU generates the logical address, and logical address is divided into two parts, segment number S and the offset D. And this, from this segment number in the segment page table, the S is used as an index, and within the segment table there is two parts, one is limit, another is base. So using limits, it checks whether this offset is less than the limit or not, that is giving the protection. If offset is less than the limit, then it is okay, otherwise it goes to trash, that is addressing error, so that each process cannot access the other process area. And using this, if it is yes, so using this base and the offset, adding this offset, you can find the actual physical memory location. So this is the corresponding segmentation hardware used, segmentation architecture. So we have seen that in segmentation architecture, the relocation is dynamic, and relocation is done by the segment table, as like paging environment. And their shared segments, sharing is done also using shared segment, same segment number like the previous case. And the allocation also use fast fit or best fit, and of course there is an external fragmentation.